All right. So I thought it would be good to chronicle this. So this will be entry number 9. So as you guys saw in entry number 8, we tried to put power to our drone, but this thing wasn't charged, which having an issue, but already mitigated the issue and just waiting on some stuff. So we found that we didn't have enough charge in the battery to light everything up. It just kind of lit up. That's it. But what that validated was, oh no. Okay, so I don't know if you guys see that, but I need to solder that back. So this is what was powering the board, so I'll solder that later. But okay, easy fix. So what I found out with this damn battery and this damn charger, this charger won't charge this battery, even though this is a 3-cell battery at 11 volts. When I try to charge it with this charger, it keeps saying that input is lower than 10 volts, which yeah, so I'm like, what the F? So did a little research. This charger won't charge this battery. So I got another charger on the way. It'll be here tomorrow and we could charge this up. So that issue's good. Second issue, not really an issue, but so I'm like, oh damn, I want to get power to this thing. So I found this. So this was a project that I did a couple companies ago, which was an IoT project. Which this was a remote control car, and you drove it around this little track, and every time it hits the sensor, it will give you information from this thing. This thing is a mini Sense Hat, and actually this whole thing is a miniature Raspberry Pi. So this is a Pi Zero, super small, but you could do cool stuff with it. So this thing was being powered with just like your regular battery that you would use like a power bank. Basically what it is. So it's like, duh, this thing is a power bank. So what if I took this power bank and plugged it into the drone? What would we get? So I'm gonna show you what happens. So I won't be able to do an engine test, which I still think we need this battery because that's actually going to power the, well actually this battery should power everything, but thinking about it, maybe I can just have this thing power the engines, and this thing power the onboard computer. So we'll see how that goes. But if I can get this thing to power everything, that'd be effing sweet, because then I don't need this, and you could use just like a regular power bank and plug it in. So but let me show you what happens. So let me take this just regular power bank and plug it in here, and yikes, if I can get it plugged in right. And then, what? We're totally off the grid. Just running off a regular power bank. So, I thought that was a good thing to chronicle. And until I get this other battery charged, I'm gonna see what I can do with this. I'm gonna fix that solder joint right there, and see if I can get some tests and see if it'll get the engines to spin. I'm thinking not, because we have a power module here, which is connected to the APM, which is where this power input comes from. So I don't know if it's gonna work, but let's see. That's the whole fun of engineering and test. Alright, so to the next update. I'll see you then. Peace.